All right, second grade, one of our words today was a 111 word, and we added a vowel suffix to it. Can you tell me what do I need to do to that last consonant in my 111 word before I add a vowel suffix? Excellent, I need to double it. All right, so let's go to our 111 page, our 111 words. For adding vowel suffixes, that's 22. So page 22 in your notebook. All right, what was our 111 word that we had today? Good, zip. Go ahead and write zip on the first line. All right, so on our first line, we've got zip. Did you need to mark anything? Nope, there was nothing to mark there. All right, zip. Now, the word that we did in our spelling words today was zipper. So let's see. Before we do that, I'm going to use zip in a sentence, and I want you to tell me if it is a noun or a verb. I will zip my coat. I will zip my coat. Class, what part of speech is zip? Good, it's a verb. It's an action. All right. And we talked before about when we add our vowel suffix, the, of, her, it turns our verb into a noun. We talked some about how it can turn our verb into a noun that means a person who does something like teacher or hunter. In this case, obviously a zipper isn't a person, but it's a thing. But we still have adding the, of, her to our verb, and it turns it into a noun. All right, so our next word is zipper. So how many syllables are in zipper? Good, there are 2. But before we add our vowel suffix which is it? Good, the, of, her. What do we have to do to this last consonant? Good, double it. All right, so write zipper on the second line. And do the markings after you write it. Remember, syllables and markings. All right, so after I wrote the first syllable, zip, I doubled my consonant, and then which did I add? Good, the, of, her. That's the that can turn our verb into a noun, right? And then this should be what? Good, that we doubled. We double underline it, and then we underline this. All right, zipper. But you know what? Since we're already working with zip, let's practice adding another vowel suffix to it. All right, so zip is a verb. That means we can make it past tense. Zip is a regular verb, so what are we going to add to it to make it past tense to mean it already happened? Excellent. If you said we're going to add ed, past tense ending. All right, so if we're talking about zipping that happened in the past, we would say zipped. I zipped my coat all the way up to my chin. Zipped. Oh, when we're adding edit, we do need to find the syllables. So put your hand on your chin. Zipped. How many times did it go down? Good, there's just one syllable in zipped. All right, so we'll write our base word zip. Go ahead and write your base word zip over here or on your practice paper first, if you prefer. All right, zip. What do we need to do to this last consonant? Good, double it. And then what are we going to add to put zip in the past tense? Good, past tense ending. All right, so go ahead and finish up zipped over there. All right, so I've got my base word is the first part of my word. Do I need a syllable mark in zipped? I don't, right? Remember, edit, past tense ending, only gets its own syllable when it's making its first sound. And zipped, it must be making its second or third sound since it didn't get its own syllable. All right, so what do I need to write next in zipped? Good, I need to write another P. And the last thing I need to write is, excellent, edit, past tense ending. All right, now let's mark it. How do I need to mark this? Good, I double underline the consonant that I doubled. Why am I double underlining it? Good, it's silent. I don't say zipped, I just say zipped. So we don't hear that. And how about this one? All right, I need to underline it, but what are the three sounds of this phonogram? Good, t, zipped. Oh, it's saying it's good. It's saying its third sound, zipped. All right, let's read that word. All right, excellent job, class, with transforming your 1-1-1 word and remembering to do what to the last consonant? Good, double it.